614. I like that glow on the inside of there. I like that motherfucker right there. That color right there, nasty. Yeah, we got the light on it now. What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned back in with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing, go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, and help us keep running these numbers up, man. Make sure y'all go like this video, man. We up here at the shop, man. We done finally made it back to the weekend again, man. It's Friday. We're about to head to the Prostreet, what's it called? The Prostreet Showdown 2.0. So it's Friday, man. We fresh off work. We just got baby cleaned all up. She all cleaned up. So we're getting ready to head out here to the Prostreet Showdown today. And then tomorrow we're heading out to Midwest Fest. So man, make sure y'all stay tuned, because we got big content coming for y'all, man. You already know. Baby want to talk her shit. What's up, baby? She already got her eyes open. Look. Whoa. You already know, man. Got my boy Otto with us. Look what he got.
Picture me in a whip that got this color on it. Fuck
that green.
Hell yeah, man.
That's that Incredible Hulk. That's that neon lime chrome green.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
you think about wrapping your shit that color?
Man, I'm thinking about it.
That's gonna be crazy.
Wow, that's what I want. I want exotic.
Crazy.
Something exotic, man. Hold on.
That's that chrome.
Hold on, man.
You gotta get the whole car done so you can do the real.
That on there, gang. Look at that, gang. Gang.
What y'all think, fam? Should Otto go with the green?
Wow, I gotta come wild, bro. I can't come different. You know what I'm saying? I gotta come different. I can't come like everybody else.
We're gonna figure it out, man. We about to smash up out of here. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man.
Not have the floaters?
Nah, I just had to cut the axle lid off.
Oh, to do that? Oh, screw that. You're good right there. Well, a little bit farther. My bad. That's good. Yep, straight.
There you go.
Oh. Pause it. There we go. Y'all see what's going on? We just pulled up. That's C8. I think I got my lights on. But it looks so good, though. She looks so good. Just pulled up, y'all. Got another C8 right here. 23 coupe. You said what? Yeah, it do.
That don't look like that. I'm saying that look good.
Thank you. I called around, found some in stock. They was all white, and then I had him paint them for me. So it took about a week. Other than that, it was 6 to 10 weeks to order them. I ain't want to order them, though. I ain't want to wait. Summer be over with, or it'll be winter time by the time I would have got them. They look good. All right, let's hit these lights. I don't want my shit to die, you feel me?
What it is, we got our car hub 614. We out here. We're gonna be doing car meets every motherfucking 2 weeks next year. Get ready for it. It's gonna be big.
Make sure y'all go subscribe and hit my man on IG. Car hub _614. We're gonna be outside for the rest of the year and all next year.
Appreciate you.
Damn. What up, fam? Pop that hood. You know I had to do it. What on your footage?
My camera is skipping. When it gets too dark outside, my camera will skip.
I like that. I like that glow on the inside of there. It like it ain't doing too much. It ain't doing too much. It's like just enough. You feel me? That little glow right there. That little orange fire coming out. Hey, how's it going? Cool on that. Yeah. Gang. Huh? You can't see shit. It's dark. Yeah, we on YouTube. Go subscribe. Go subscribe. It's on the other side. The channel. Huh?
Your car?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I just got your Insta off. Look.
Okay.
I love cars.
Right.
And
Okay. Okay. We going. Y'all heard that. Yeah, I heard that. Okay. That hellcat addicting. Once you get in that hellcat, boy, it's addicting.
Yeah, I think his is all white though.
Yeah. They done finally stopped playing that music. Hey, on it.
Nobody gon' understand it. To the point I need my
Yeah, I seen that one, black. I couldn't even get on the camera. That motherfucker black. That motherfucker dark.
Yo. Gang right there.
Yeah, that cat gone. They finally came and got that motherfucker. That bitch gone. I like that motherfucker right there. That color right there, nasty.
797.
That motherfucker hard. That's the one. I think I done seen that one on the internet though. They pulling through deep. They pulling through deep. And they all females too. Hey. They still coming. They coming through deep. This motherfucker shit ain't stopping.
Y'all meet up at before this. I know y'all.
Said what? They pulling through, y'all. I think these the street predators. There you go. Whoa. She stay spinning her shit. That's it. 23 coupe. Back at the shop. Y'all see how we got the light on it now. It's dark over there. My man's pulled up, about to do this night project. Yeah. Got trucks rolling. Ah, yeah, they was all over this mug.
Where was you just at?
Down off of Bryce. Yeah, down off Bryce. They had a little meat thing over there. Y'all see it. Y'all see it, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. We heading to the Midwest Fest first thing in the morning, man. Heading down to Indy, Naptown. Everybody and their mama gonna be up there, so you know we gotta pull up C8. So yeah. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell. Let's keep running these numbers on up, man. And make sure y'all go like the video, man. Run the likes up. And tune in tomorrow.